Hi, this is a video about Classic Loader. Classic Loader is a RBI XBRL automation software which is developed by Classicsoft Technologies Private Limited, Mumbai. Okay. Reserve Bank of India has announced that the future of returns submission is XBRL. Very good. Most of the banks have implemented ADF as decided by RBI. But the pain of the banker is not over. Why? They still have to struggle with data entry to RBI's XBRL templates. The reason? Most of the ADF vendors are providing final output in Excel. So the banker has to do a data entry of the data to RBI's XBRL templates as vendors are not providing XBRL instance documents. Problem with the data entry? One is it is error prone. Second, it is time consuming. How to avoid these problems? The answer is Classic Loader, the software which transfers data from your ADF Excel file to RBI's XBRL template. Classic Loader is a product of Classicsoft Technologies Private Limited, Mumbai, and the existing clients are BNB Paribas, Society Generale, ICICI Bank Limited, Barclays Bank, Credit Suisse, Bank of America, and ANZ Bank. Now see a demo of Classic Loader transferring data from Excel file to RBI's XBRL template. We are going to show upload of Form IRS. Form IRS has generally three currencies, but some banks have more than three currencies. Here we show a bank with four currencies. The first step for transferring data to Form IRS is to create a template for four currencies. For that, first you have to go to C drive. There is one folder called RBI XBRL forms in that, where Form IRS, Form SIR, Form STDL, all those things will generally get installed. So here I am clicking on Form IRS. There are different versions of IRS you can see here, and the latest version is 1.4.11 as of today. And there are templates in that. And the main template is Form IRS templates XLTX. When this template is opened, there will be only three default currencies in that. One is INR, second one is leading, and third is residual. Leading, you have to define which is the currency on the screen after opening the Excel. Now for convenience I have made another template from this original template with four currencies, and that is this, where INR I have created one USD and I have created one Euro, and the rest is residual. So if this is created initially, there is no need to again and again create it at the time of opening. So this will be the template for this particular bank where four currencies are involved. Source Excel file button. This window will come, which is the data, which should go to general information page on the RBI XBRL template. I have defined four currencies here already: INR, USD, Euro, and RES. If there is a fifth currency, you can define the fifth one also. But accordingly, the RBI XBRL template should have five currencies for TGA as well as DGA. Okay, I am clicking OK. Now it is asking which file to upload. I say IRS TGA. So I am taking this. This is the modified duration. How you are represented the modified duration? Is it in percentage or in actuals? Accordingly, you select either of the one and say OK. Now you have to go and select the input file. I have got the input file for TGA. I am opening it. It's asking whether you have selected the correct file. I say OK. That file will get opened, and this is the file, and the data from the file is getting captured. You can see sheet number 2, you can see sheet number 3, you can see sheet number 4. After this file will get closed automatically. Now it is closed. Now it is asking for IRS DGA opening. So select the file to upload IRS DGA. Again the open and needs column, the representation of percentages, how it is, you select accordingly and click OK. So I am selecting the DGA file. Again it is checking whether the correct file is selected or not. This file will get opened. Now the complete data will be stored. You go from sheet 1 to sheet 8. Sheet 8 not 8, 9. Because 4 currency means 4 currency, then 1 equity and 4 coupon. So likewise there will be 9 sheets. Data should be read from 9 sheets. It's already completed 4 sheets, 5th sheet, 6th sheet, another 3 more sheets. After completion of 9th sheet, it will automatically open the RBI XBRL template which you have defined in the setup. Reading the sheet number 9. Once it is completed, this file will get closed automatically. It's closed. You can see the RBI XBRL template which are defined in the setup has been opening. That file is opening. File is opening. You come to loading taxonomy. Please wait. The file is open. Okay. Now come to class loader. When you come to class loader, there will be a message start posting. So you click on start posting, data will be transferred. This is the way it is happening. So after this is complete, you can just see the data in the RBI XBRL template. Just wait 2-3 minutes, it will be over. See, now the data transfer is completed. You can check in the Excel file. This page, INR, USD, Euro, residual, DGINR, USD, Euro, residual, memo, INR, USD, Euro, a coupon, each currency. That's it. Now you go to add-ins, I file, generate instance value. That's it. Your data is transferred to XBRL very easily.